checks. I'm like, we have to go down to the bank and get it. I'm like, it's a hassle. But cash is just instant.
He's writing a $50 check. I'll tell you what, just give me $25 cash.
Yeah, right.
We'll call it good.
I'll get out of here.
I'll stop groping.
Whoa, hey, buddy.
Why don't you stop writing?
I'll stop
As long as
groping
you
your
pay
wife.
us half of what you're writing that check for.
Stop writing. Let's just make it
$25. I stop groping your wife. I'm out. Deal.
I'm letting you.
We go into Kreider's house. He's like, "What the fuck are you guys doing? Throwing shit in my dishwasher? Freaking out or fucking hiding under shit?"
Oh, yeah.
Ed's out in the front.
We had the fucking.
God, it was.
We had on a spin cycle.
Man,
How about that time, Robert? We were still in high school.
And Eduardo was pissed off.
oh, it was steamed.
We were still in high school.
So you better take those aspirin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still in high school.
Why is Mike taking
I mean, just
Because that's what he
It's
puts
gonna be.
on the show.
We're gonna cut it up, and it's gonna be mancation. 09.
And Nomar got busted with Adam's fucking fake ID.
The shoe store.
Yeah.
At
Yeah, it's little seven. Yeah.
See, that's the only time I remember saying. That's the only time I remember ratting them out. I don't remember ratting.
That's the only time you read it. I think that's the only
I
time.
didn't rat them out, but I'm like, I'm not gonna lie to these guys that are letting me fucking stay at their place.
because you were living there, right?
Right. I don't remember ratting saying, "Oh, everyone was partying," but I was not
Here's
here.
here's what we heard. This is what I heard from Omar. Because, well, I should say from Ed.
I wasn't even there, dude.
Here's yeah, you were living at the time.
I wasn't even
going
at
into
the
our
party.
senior
I
year.
wasn't.
No, I know, but
When you and Kurt and all that, I was
you
not
said
there.
they're up at Massey's.
I wasn't there.
I know, but you said they're all up at Massey's partying.
Why would I not be there if you guys were partying?
Because you were trying to get beer with Nomar.
It's actually great to see you, brother.
Shoot, buddy.
It's been a long time.
Yeah,
You're right.
you gonna come down and fucking